Have fun, Ayan. But stay where I can see you.
I promise, Mom. I'll be careful. Hi, Ayan. Let's play catch. That sounds fun. You throw really well.
Thanks. Your catch was amazing.
Look! There's a little puppy hiding.
It looks scared. Don't be afraid. We're here to help.
It's shaking. Poor little puppy. I don't see a collar. Maybe it's lost.
Let's ask people if this is their puppy.
Good idea. Someone must be looking for it.
Excuse me, is this your puppy? No, but I hope you find the owner.
Let's ask the park guard for help.
Yes, he'll know what to do.
Hello there! Thank you for bringing this puppy to me.
We just wanted to keep it safe.
I'll make an announcement right away.
I hope the owner hears it.
It must have been very thirsty.
I'm glad it's feeling better.
You're taking great care of this little puppy.
It deserves to feel safe.
Have you seen my little white puppy?
Huh? Please stay calm. Tell me what it looks like.
Thank you! Snowy is finally back.
We're so happy for both of you.
Sharing together makes it even better. I couldn't agree more.
You showed kindness and responsibility today.
Helping others is always the right choice. I heard you helped a lost puppy today.
Yes, Mom. We found its family.
I'm very proud of your kind heart.
Helping the puppy made me feel really happy. What important lesson did you learn yesterday? Always help someone who needs you. Even if it's just a little puppy?
Every life deserves kindness and care.
Snowy is happy because of you.
Seeing Snowy smile makes me happy too.
You both are wonderful young heroes.
Thank you. We simply did the right thing. Ready to head home, my little hero?
Yes, and I'll never forget today's lesson.
What lesson will stay in your heart forever?
Helping others is the greatest reward.
Always choose kindness and help those who need you. Even one small act of kindness can change someone's whole day. Goodbye!